All right, picture this. You walk outside, your car is acting weird again, and suddenly your wallet starts sweating. Cars are like toddlers, cute when they work, terrifying when they make a weird noise. So today I'm giving you 15 car hacks that are going to save your money, stress, and possibly the last remaining brain cell you use for adulting. Let's jump in before your check engine light decides to join the party. 15, the plastic bag leak detective. See a puddle under your car? Don't panic or Google it. Google will tell you your car is already dead and you're next. Instead, grab a plastic bag, and if it stains, you've got oil or coolant. If it evaporates, it's just water. You're fine. Cancel the funeral plans. This is basically CSI parking lot. 14, the zip tie hose lifesaver. A leaking hose? Don't call a mechanic yet. Grab a zip tie, the duct tape of the fancy world. Wrap it tight. Boom. Leak slowed down, car happy, and you look like you know what you're doing, even if you absolutely do not. 13, the license plate rattle exorcism. Got a plate that rattles like it's trying to escape the car. A little foam tape and the noise disappears and your trunk goes quiet and demon banished, your sanity restored, and you're welcome. 12, the belt squeal. Oh my God, make it stop. Fix. When your car starts and sounds like a pterodactyl screaming for help, the belt's loose. Spritz a little WD-40 or belt dressing carefully, because losing fingers is not a hack, it's a tragedy. Instant silence. Your neighbors will appreciate you. 11, hand sanitizer equals frozen lock kryptonite. Cold morning, frozen lock. You're outside like, please open. I'm only emotionally unstable some of the time. Rub hand sanitizer on the key. Boom, instant thaw. Science or witchcraft. Either way, it works. 10, the Pencil Graphite lock smoothie. If your lock feels crunchy, don't force it like you're opening a medieval treasure chest. Rub a pencil on the key for graphite lube. Slide in, smooth turn. Congrats, you just seduced your lock with office supplies. 9, the plastic bag anti-fog mirror trick. Foggy mirrors, rub them with a plastic grocery bag. I know it sounds stupid, but so do most things until they work. Fog disappears, you feel powerful. People watching you do this look deeply confused. 8, shoe polish headlight glow up. Headlights cloudy, use shoe polish. Your headlights will be like, look at me, I'm shiny, I'm glossy, I'm moisturized. Reduces fog, increases visibility, and makes your car look like it's ready for prom. 7, hair dryer plus dent equals car surgery. Small dent, heat it with a hair dryer, push it out, pop, magically fixed. Your bumper just had plastic surgery and nobody can tell. 6, toothpaste, the headlight spa treatment. No shoe polish? Use toothpaste. You're basically giving your headlights a dental cleaning. Minty fresh, sparkly. Your car smiles brighter than you do after whitening strips. 5, aluminum foil equals key fob resurrection. Key fob dying, pressing the button like you're negotiating with it. Put a little aluminum foil under the battery contact. Suddenly your fob works from 3 miles away. You feel like a Jedi controlling your car. 4, black pepper radiator miracle. Coolant leak? Sprinkle black pepper into the radiator when it's cold. The pepper travels around and seals the leak like a spicy little plumber. Mechanics hate this trick. Your wallet loves it. 3, the shoelace emergency brake cable escape. Parking brake stuck, wheel won't move. Tie a shoelace to the brake cable and yank it. This shocks the ice or rust free. Who knew your emergency toolkit was shoelace, hope, desperation? 2, the flooded engine secret handshake. Engine cranks but won't start. Floor, the gas, it stops fuel injection and clears the engine. Your car starts like, oh, you meant now? My bad. 1, the oil smell test. The car doctor method. Check your oil, smell it. Yes, seriously, if it smells like gas, your engine is mixing fuel with oil. This is very bad, like engine self-destructing while smiling at you, bad. Fix it early equals cheap. Fix it late equals new engine or new car or new identity. And there you go. 15 hacks that'll save your money, time, stress, and that one friend who always says, just take it to a mechanic. No, we are mechanics now. We are powerful. If this made you laugh, taught you something, or prevented a breakdown, yours or the car's, hit that like button and subscribe. Now click the next video before your car hears us and gets jealous, and thanks for watching.